Okay, are we done yet? No? Can you go get your box over there? That would be sufficient. Oh, okay, now it's starting to use claws. That hurts a little.
This is a lion cub.
This is not a lion cub.
Yes, it is. Don't lie to these people. And
This
say
is
it's
a
you.
giant ass cat.
Yeah. Oh look, fucking lion from the side. If you look
And
at the
this
video,
is Pine Hill, not Sage Hill. Sage Hill is one right away.
the whole neighborhood is Sage Hill. But at the beginning of the neighborhood, you see it's Sage Hill. That's stupid. They got. That's the reason they got it like that. You know, it's a whole minute and 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, 5, 6, and he's been doing this all the time.
He's been doing it before that.
Roar.
Shh. Shh.
I'm in your nose, Alyssa. I'm in your nose, Alyssa. I'm in your nose. Oh, they're making out. Ah, I'm just playing. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Stop looking like I was just kidding. I'm sorry. See, look at this damn line code.
Will you lay down already? It can't get much comfortable than that. I just.
Get in.
Thank God.
Tell me that ain't no damn line. Look at that motherfucker. Wow, hey, the cat don't like the attention.
House cat.
Head up, ass down.
House cat.
Okay, I'm guessing this is another recording time. It's just I'm bored.
Which one you want?
Alyssa over there looking like them vampires off of what's that, Twilight. Look, her eyes on here looking red as shit. Well, not now when you looked up. Okay, not dude.
No.
I guess it's, yeah. Okay, there it goes. Video.